channel again. This is my PC's. I have a desktop PC and it has a graphics card, and this graphics card is making weird sound like this sort of thing, noise. Then I realized that the fan is making the noise actually. So this fan, when it's moving, it's making some weird noise. You can see it's a pretty good, pretty small fan, and it is brushless fan. So what I did, I just take it to my basin and washed it thoroughly, washed it very good, and then I keep it in my table to dry it up. So now what I will do in front of you, I will set the fan in this heatsink. And this heatsink, why is this heatsink? There is a processor or the graphics unit of this graphics card, and there is a connector, the fan connector here, and that's what we are going to do. So let's, first of all, we have to make the way of this wire through this channel. Then we have to use a Phillips head screw. If you can see, this is a Phillips head screw. This is screw. Focus, camera, focus, focus. Okay, I'm sorry, camera is not focusing. Okay, this is the screw here. Okay, next we will make the way. Make sure you don't cross thread it, otherwise your thread will be blown. And do not tighten it all the way through, just make it snug, let it stay in place, and then you go to the second and also make it snug, but don't let it make it tight so much. And then the third. Okay, now you can tighten it up like not much, because it's aluminium. If you force too much, then the thread will be broken. Just enough to secure the fan. It's a small fan, so there is, I'm sorry for the camera mount, I'm sorry for the shaky image. Then there is a foam pad and there is adhesive in here. So it was like there, so that the wire stay in the place. Okay, push it all the way through like that. Okay, the fan is okay. Then plug the connector, and that's it. That is how you mount a fan in your graphics card. It is a pretty old graphics card, don't blame me. It was about 5 or 6 years ago I brought this DDR3 graphics card. Thank you for watching. Sub will be awesome. If you're new to my channel, then you can watch my other videos. Thank you again. Hope you enjoyed this video.